Hello guys, today we are gonna help Bimbo practice to shoot and aim a nerf gun. But before we start this video, like and subscribe this video. So my father is already setting up our Christmas tree. Say hello!
Hi.
So this is our first time to make a video, and I hope we'll already have so many subscribers. So Bimbo, try to shoot one of those leaves and try to make a hole or make it fall. So you just gotta use this. Okay, so start. You didn't even hit anything. What? So guys, one of the bullet is stuck there. So I don't know how we're gonna go and get it. So I think we have to shake the tree, and it's our neighbor's house, so I'm scared. So here we are going down. We don't know where it is. It's so bright. It's gone forever. So we can't shake the tree because the tree is strong and we're so weak. So I think we just have to get another bullet and practice it farther than this tree. Okay, Paolo, I think we just have to use another bullet and mine that. Come on.
Sorry, Ate. But that's what
Okay, just use another bullet. So you have to shoot the bag. Okay? Make sure to shoot the bag so that would be easier. And it doesn't fall. So yeah. Just make sure to hit the bag. Okay? Ready?
What, my bag?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, very good. So I think I want to try. Can I try?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes, it's on.
Start.
It is already on. It is already.
I know this is ready. Just quiet. I'm gonna try to shoot the lightning McQueen. Did I? No, I didn't.
It's stuck.
Okay.
The thing.
I have to do it again. Can I try it again? Yeah. This is minor.
Okay.
Did I shoot it?
Yep.
Because I didn't saw it. Comment down below.
I think so. You show it.
So the next, we're gonna make it a little bit far. So I want you go to the door. Hello, Tank. Hello.
Shoot the tent.
It's still 3 months. Okay, I want you to shoot this button right here.
Mom, but it's too small.
Come on, you can do it.
I just shoot there.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to shoot that tree over there.
You didn't shoot it.
No!
You shoot-
Oh my god, it's
You shoot the tent. And it's onto the water. So, yeah. So, Bimbo tried to hit it very close. And now it's gone. So, we'll try to find it. Is it there?
But Daddy's gonna do like that, Mom. Are you gonna bend it? Are you also gonna?
Okay, it's lost.
Thanks, guys. So
Remember to comment down below
remember to comment down below
if
and
it
if
shoot.
it shoots
Yeah.
like
Yeah. Yeah, at the Lightning McQueen. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.